here. I know. I was crying earlier. Thank you, boys. Okay, come on out. Oh, which mom didn't get some? Which mama didn't get some? Miss Crowley? There you go. All right. We only count to 4 in music. I'm sorry. It's true. Okay, so this is our last 3 songs, and then we're going to take an intermission. We've got some wonderful treats out there for you to help with our scholarships, etc. And then we'll have the band, and they're rocking. We got a guest artist too. So here's the last 3.